Animal. A living organism that can move around and get its own food. There are many different kinds of animals in the world, from tiny insects to giant whales. Cat. A small, furry mammal with soft fur, sharp claws, and a purr. The cat curled up on the sofa for a nap. Dog. A domesticated mammal known for its loyalty and companionship. The dog wagged its tail excitedly when its owner came home. Horse. A large, powerful mammal with 4 hooves, often used for riding or pulling carts. The horses galloped across the field. Sheep. A domesticated mammal with thick wool, often raised for its meat and fleece. The shepherd herded the sheep down the hill. Cow. A large, domesticated mammal kept for its milk and meat. The cows grazed peacefully in the meadow. Pig. A domesticated mammal with a short snout and a curly tail, often raised for its meat. The pig rolled around happily in the mud. Lion. A large, powerful cat with a mane of fur around its head and neck, known as the king of the jungle. The lion roared loudly, calling out to its pride. Rabbit. A small, furry mammal with long ears and a short tail, known for hopping. The rabbit nibbled on the carrots in its hutch. Mouse. A small rodent with a pointed snout and a long tail. The mouse scurried behind the counter to hide from the cat. Snake. A long, slender reptile without legs that slithers on its belly. The snake slithered through the grass in search of prey. Fish. A cold-blooded animal that lives in water and has gills for breathing. The fish swam around the colorful coral reef. Elephant. A very large mammal with a trunk, tusks, and thick gray skin. The elephant sprayed water on itself with its trunk. Bird. A warm-blooded animal with feathers, wings, and a beak. The bird sang a beautiful song in the tree. Chicken. A type of domesticated bird, often kept for its eggs and meat. The farmer collected the fresh eggs from the chicken coop.
Remember, the key to mastering these words is practice, practice, practice. Don't forget to like this video and follow my channel for more engaging English lessons with pictures. Until next time, happy learning!